Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the crankshaft position sensor on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we will explain where you can find the crankshaft position sensor fuses, relays. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. By the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. For the crankshaft position sensor, before we start, please do not buy a new one, do not waste your money on a new sensor until we explain something. Always test your crankshaft position sensor. If you don't know how, we will have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to test crankshaft position sensor. Check the connector, make sure it's not unplugged, make sure it's not contaminated with engine oil or coolant, because we've seen oil leaks, coolant leaks cause them to where they have a wet connection, it doesn't communicate correctly and you may get a code or malfunction of the crankshaft position sensor. But about the fuses relays, we will show you where you can find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox. And quick advice that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Now 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out. We need to open the hood facing the engine. On the right side here, this is the brake fluid reservoir. Next to it on the right side is the main engine fuse box. You have a cover here, you have a clip for that cover here and one clip here. Press these clips together, lift the cover up, and underneath you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. There will be very limited information guys, but we need to check all engine management fuses now. There will be a lot of them, but most likely one of them is for that sensor. And starting here, we need to check fuse number 20, right here. Fuse number 21 will need to be checked. Fuse number 37, 38. Check fuse number 41, fuse number 42, fuse number 46, fuse number 52. Then you have another fuse that's known as fuse number 53 under that relay, that 10 amp fuse. You want to test also relay 66, relay 68. Most likely one of these fuses relays guys will be for that sensor, so always check this first before you buy a new one. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open guys interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck, always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share guys the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well guys. So thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.